Have you ever considered what happens when you pick the wrong gummy depositor? Contamination risks, tough maintenance, and inefficient operations can seriously hurt your production. It's not just losing money, it's about risking hygiene and damaging your brand's trust, especially in the health-focused nutraceutical market. Here's the solution: the SaintyCo DM-50X Mini Small Batch Depositor. It's not just innovative, it's a game changer in hygienic design, made just for the R&D and small batch production needs of CBD, THC, and functional gummy manufacturers. Built with the best food-grade SS316 Nel and SS304 stainless steel, the DM-50X Depositor stands out in fighting corrosion. These materials are crucial to stopping toxic substances and bacteria in their tracks. The machine's smooth, non-porous surfaces, sloped surfaces, and rounded corners are meticulously designed to prevent liquid pooling and residue buildup. This design choice is crucial for effective cleaning and maintaining a pristine production environment. With food-grade seals and gaskets, the DM-50X Depositor machine is tough against cleaning chemicals and high heat. This makes it last longer and keeps your production consistently clean and safe. Take note of this impressive aspect. The DM-50X Gummy Depositor simplifies cleaning. Its heated hopper and efficient drainage system aid in self-cleaning. The design focuses on ease of use. Disassembling for maintenance is straightforward. Just one or two operators can manage these maintenance tasks. And imagine this: precision, compliance, and hygiene, all in one with SaintyCo DM-50X Gummy Depositor. Effortlessly produce gummies that meet cGMP standards. Plus, with SaintyCo's global support, you get quick, effective solutions for any challenges, ensuring smooth, efficient operations. Start strong in gummy production with DM-50X Depositor. Hygiene, efficiency, and higher profits await. Connect with us now to boost your business.